Welcome to Mastering the ECG, your complete guide to understanding and interpreting electrocardiograms. From basic waveforms to advanced clinical patterns, this series will teach you everything you need to know about reading ECGs with confidence. This is a 10-part series, and this is part 2. The ECG is printed on standardized graph paper that allows precise measurement of both time and voltage. Each small square on the horizon axis represents 0.04 seconds. A large square, which is 5 small squares across, represents 0.20 seconds. Vertically, each small square represents 0.1 millivolts, and a large square equals 0.5 millivolts. This grid allows us to measure intervals like the PR interval, QRS duration, and QT interval with a high precision. The standard ECG paper speed is 25 mm per second. At this speed, you get 1 small square every 0.04 seconds and 5 large squares per second. Always verify the calibration box at the beginning of the ECG trace. A normal calibration signal is 10 mm high and represents 1 millivolt. This confirms that the ECG machine is correctly scaled. Despite its name, a 12-lead ECG uses only 10 electrodes, like I mentioned in the previous video, but it creates a 12 electrical views of the heart. These are divided into 6 limb leads, 1, 2, 3, AVR, AVL, AVF, and 6 precordial leads, V1, 2, V6. Together, these leads provide information about the heart's electrical activity in both the frontal and horizontal plates. Limb leads form what is known as the Einthoven's triangle, which approximates the electrical view of the heart from 3 directions. Lead 1, right arm to left arm. Lead 2, right arm to left leg, and lead 3, left arm to left leg. These leads record electrical activity in the frontal plane and are essential in axis determination. The augmented limb leads, AVR, AVL, and AVF, combine input from 2 electrodes and reference a third, offering additional views of the same plane. The precordial leads, V1 through V6, are placed on the chest and view the heart in a horizontal plane, though each has its own unique anatomical orientation. V1 and V2, right part of the heart and intraventricular septum. V3 and 4, anterior wall of the left ventricle. V5 and V6, lateral wall of the left ventricle. These leads are unipolar, meaning they measure electrical activity from the heart relative to a central reference point. Understanding which part of the heart each lead views is essential for interpreting abnormalities. For example, ST elevation in 1-2 and AVF, inferior myocardial infarction. ST depression in V1-V3, possible posterior infarction. Poor R-wave progression in V1-V4 may indicate anterior infarction or lead misplacement. By localizing abnormalities to specific leads, we gain insight into which region of the heart is affected. The ECG grid and lead system are more than just lines and numbers. They are a window into the heart's electrical behavior. Mastering these basics provide the foundation for accurate and meaningful interpretation. In the next video, part 3, the normal ECG, we will explore the standard components of an ECG tracing, P-waves, PR intervals, QRS complexes, and more, so you can recognize a healthy rhythm before identifying pathology. Thank you for watching.